My name is Jonathan Hoffberger, and I am a cardiac surgeon for First Physicians Group. The reason why I became a doctor was that I was the son of a physician. My father was a urologist. I was very young. I would go with him on rounds, and I saw the impact that he had on patients' lives, and I wanted to have the same impact on people as my father did. So my philosophy of patient care is patient-centric. I want the patients to feel confident in me as their surgeon. I want them to feel confident in the procedure that I'm telling them that they need to have. And I want them to be confident in where they're having the surgery done. And I do that, I try to do that in a compassionate way and in a humble way. I love the impact that I can have on patients. I judge my days on whether I made a difference in people's lives every day. I actually impart that onto my children. The question that we have at home every night is, did you make an impact in somebody's life? Did you change somebody's life for the better? And I feel that every day I go to work, I do that. In my spare time outside of work, I like to travel. I like to spend time with my family. I like to boat. I like to be outdoors, and I like to exercise.